In today's video, I'll show you how to install the native mod menu in GTA 5 Enhanced to access cheats, spawn vehicles, and customize gameplay easily. Check my video description for these mods download link. Once download done, I click on the script to B and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. I click on the game and select open file location. Open bin. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder except this native trainer.asi. Once you're done, go back, open native mod menu, drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the page down key to open up this mod menu. Using the up arrow and down arrow, choose option. Press enter to select option. To go back, press the backspace key. To find this mod menu working, go to vehicle, spawn, choose the vehicle type and press enter to spawn a vehicle. And the mod menu is working. This way you can spawn whatever car you like. To close this menu, press the backspace key 3 times and the menu will be closed. And you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.